Here's another cool way to create Ghibli-style images, and even combine them, just like Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg wish they could. Let me show you how it's done. First, take an image of Elon Musk and ask ChatGPT to turn it into a Ghibli-style animation. Boom, done in seconds. Then upload an image of Mark Zuckerberg, do the same thing, and now you've got two Ghibli versions of both. Now use the long prompt I've left in the description. It describes a cozy dinner scene with Elon and Zuck sitting together. Once you click send, those two images get merged into one scene of them having dinner like old pals. You can even ask for a follow-up, like, can you make them walk through the streets of Africa? Now head over to Clean AI and go ahead and click on Video. Here, you're going to upload two images, the starting image and the ending image. Below that, there's an optional prompt box. Once you're ready, just click Generate. And in a few seconds, you'll get your video, just like this one here. Insane, right? If you want to learn more about how you can generate images in a unique way using ChatGPT, let me know in the comment section.